Heart attack and heart failure have become common health issues nowadays as they have been rising day by day. But why are these cardiac issues so prevalent? What is the exact cause of the heart diseases? How can we prevent them? Does diet have any role in preventing cardiac disorders? If so, then what foods we should consume? Be they veggies or fruits? Well, all these questions may come to your mind if you have any heart issues or if you are taking a proactive step towards a heart-healthy lifestyle. Veggies are another dietary option that has a very significant role in managing cholesterol levels, preventing arterial blockage and promoting heart health. But which veggies do you need to consume for a healthy heart? Let us know. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Amisha and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and holistic care of several chronic ailments. Today in my video, I will tell you the 5 super veggies for better heart health and how you can better manage cholesterol and blood pressure with these 5 vegetables. So stay tuned and watch this complete video. The first vegetable is broccoli, the most nutrient dense and a perfect natural food for your heart. Broccoli is full of nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber and powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane, which has an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Broccoli also helps control blood sugar, improves digestion and lower cholesterol, which are contributory factors to cardiac diseases. You consume it in salads, curries, sauté veggies or soups. Now, the second friendly vegetable is tomatoes. Tomatoes are well known for their lycopene content, which is a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color and supports heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and improving blood vessel function. Well, 100 gram of tomatoes contain 1 to 8 mg of lycopene. They also have vitamin C, potassium, folate and fiber, which are all beneficial for your heart. Consuming tomatoes is linked to lower risk of heart disease and strokes, especially when cooked, enhancing lycopene absorption. You can add tomatoes to your soups, curries, veggie juices and salads. Carrots, an amazing veggie not just for your eyes but for your heart too. Carrots are low-calorie food, but they are high in nutrients like beta-carotene, B vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Beta-carotene in carrots help lower cholesterol and reduce oxidative damage to blood vessels. The fiber in carrots also helps remove LDL, bad cholesterol from the body. Now let's know how you can consume them. You can drink its juice or saute it for 5 minutes with olive oil. Now, the fourth must-have heart-healthy veggie is beetroot. Beets are rich in nitrate, which the body converts into nitric oxide that naturally improve blood pressure and boost blood flow. They also reduces the risk of artery blockages by preventing plaque buildup. Another benefit of beets you may get is just because of their betaine and folate content, both of which reduce homocysteine level, which is a significant contributing factor for heart disease. You can consume beet juice along with your carrot and ginger. Add them to your salad or eat them in sauté veggies. Well, the last veggie is garlic, which is not just a flavoring agent but has many therapeutic benefits, including heart health and hypertension. It contains allicin, a compound that helps reduce blood pressure, lowers cholesterol and prevents blood clots. However, some studies indicate that the regular consumption of garlic can reduce plaque formation in arteries, helping to prevent atherosclerosis. You can add crushed garlic to soups and curries, or you can eat it in a salad. Well, I have shared the 5 prominent heart-healthy veggies that help lower cholesterol and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. No doubt, diet can significantly reduce the risk of cardiac disease, but it cannot serve as a complete treatment for heart problems. Even in modern medicine, cardiac issues can be managed to some extent, but they also cannot be a proper treatment. Cardiac issues can be managed so well with natural and holistic medicines that have no side effects and treat the disease from its root cause. Yes, holistic medicines have the power to solve your cardiac issues without compromising your health. Bharat Homeopathy medicines are safe, effective, and bring results in the shortest possible time. Unlike the traditional system of medicines, Bharat homeopathy medicines are absolutely side effects free and are given in small globules dissolved in the homeopathic potentized alcohol based medicines. Bharat homeopathy has a proven track record of satisfied patients who have successfully recovered from cardiovascular issues through our personalized and customized homeopathic treatments. Our team of experienced doctors thoroughly analyzes medical reports, patient conditions, and disease to provide the best possible homeopathic care. Experience the power of Bharat homeopathic medicines and see significant improvement in your condition in less time. I hope you found my video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks, stay healthy, stay happy.